What is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Everything's okay. Okay, today we're gonna be talking about QML. What is QML? Right? What is QML? Full form of QML. Okay, QM stands for Quasimodo. Okay, what is Quasimodo? So basically, like, let's make it simple. Head and shoulder pattern, right? But it's a whole different theory. Okay, there's more into it. So QML is Quasimodo level, right? That's it. Okay, now what's the theory behind it? What is the whole thing? The theory behind it is the theory behind it is basically fake out plus breakout, right? That's the theory behind it. Okay, we will make it as simple as possible with QM level. How it's a pattern, of course, a sign of reversal. Okay, why it is very important to understand QM level, because when you spot a setup with QM level, well, obviously there are a lot of things into it, but today we're going to be only talking about the basic QM level, right? Why is it a fake out and a breakout, right? Okay, for example, the pattern of QML, right? You want to look for high, low, higher high, and a lower low, right? For example, the market was doing like this in an uptrend. Let's look at in a basic market structure, right? It's making in an uptrend. Okay, creating a lot of breakout structure. Okay, multiple BOS, multiple, and then what happens after it is it breaks another structure, which makes change of character, right? Breaks the previous low, making change of character. Okay, when you spot something like this, where is the entry point, right? The entry point is on the QM level, which is on the left shoulder here. On the left shoulder, this is your QM level. Okay, you can place pending order maybe here, sell limit maybe here, somewhere there, but the stop loss has to be above the head. Okay, here this should be your stop loss. Let me make it clear. Stop loss. Okay, this should be your stop loss. Why QM level is important, and why is it very strong? Not that you will get insane risk to reward ratio, but it is pretty accurate. Very good win rate. I've had no complaints at all ever since started trading QM level, right? Okay, what do I mean by good risk to reward ratio and good win rate? Best example of it I can give is this trade on gold. Well, obviously there's 20 pips of stops, and thing was running for 342 pips for 1:16.45 risk to reward ratio. Yes, all of it was posted on my free Telegram. Of course, link will be given down below in the description. Right? Okay, now let's get back into the QM level, right? Again, your entry point will be on the QM level. Okay, maybe have sell limit, whatever it is, or you just enter when it enters the zone. Okay, you want to wait for the price to tap the zone again, your entry again from the QM level, and targeting the new lows. Okay, targeting a new breakout structure. Okay, stop loss above the head. Okay, that's why I call the theory behind QML a fake out and a breakout. Okay, for example, let's say market is going up, making an uptrend. making higher highs and higher lows, right? And then a trend line traders will be like, okay, I'll draw a trend line. They will draw a trend line. Then it will be like, okay, they will wait the price to tap the trend line, the one that's acting as a support. They will take a buys from here. Okay, stop loss somewhere here, targeting above somewhere. That they see that the trade is going in their way, going very, very good. And then after that, it just flips down, hitting their stop loss, right? Once they see that the price reversed, hitting their stop loss, making change of character, they will draw a trend line again. They will draw something like this. They will be like, okay, this is the break of the structure. They'll be like, okay, new break of structure. There's change of character. They'll be like, okay, we will enter sells here. Sells here. They will enter sells here. Stop somewhere here. And then targeting below for new lows. It goes down. They see the trade going to their direction. And then after that, it reverses back up, hitting their stop loss. Right? This is why the theory behind QML is called, I mean, personally, I call it fake out and then breakout. Okay? Then the left shoulder is called QML and the right shoulder is called MPL. MPL. What does MPL stand for? It stands for maximum pain level. Yes, it sounds kind of funny, but it makes sense. Why does it call MPL? Just think about it. As I said, trader would try to get in the market here, targeting above, will flip, hit their stop loss. So buyers are gone. Okay, buyers are gone. All the stop losses have been taken. And then they take sells after the breakout. Then they see that the trade going to their direction. And then after that, it flips, hitting their stops. Again, buyers and sellers, both of them are gone. That's why this area here is called MPL, maximum pain level, right? That's where you want to enter on the MPL. Okay, stops just above the head, something like this, targeting new lows, right? Yeah, I'll show you the example on the plain chart. Just for now, let's focus on the pattern of it, right? This is for sells. What about for buys? For buys, you want to look for low, highs, lower low, and then higher high, right? Where is your entry point? Again, on the left shoulder. This is your QM level, right? For example, the price, again, making break of structures, going in an uptrend, making lower lows, constantly lower lows, making lower lows, see? Okay, then again, sellers will be, they will take sells from here, stops just above there, targeting new lows, okay, and then it just flips, hitting their stops, okay, and then after that, they will see the break of structure here, the change of character, right? So they will be like, okay, now we're taking buys. They take buys, and then what happens? The price goes down again, hitting their stops. After hitting their stops, goes to the MPL level here, the maximum pain level, and then flips back up. So this is why the whole theory of QM level, I like to call it what? Fake out and breakout. The market creates a fake out, 1, 2 fake outs, and then after that a breakout, right? So again, the entry, where do you enter for buys? On the right shoulder, which is the MPL, this thing here. This is the MPL. This is where you want to enter. Basic QM level, right? Okay, now that we know the chart pattern of it, I mean, definitely, again, keep it in mind. For sells, you want to look for high, low, higher high, and then lower low. For buys, you want to look for low, high, lower low, and then higher highs. Okay, now let's go to the plain chart and let me show you the example of QM level. Here on gold, let's see, for example, we have here perfect QM level, high, low, higher, high, then lower, low, entry on the QM level, perfectly wicked it out, coming down. Don't think that it's this easy. Of course, I'll be making another more videos, in-depth videos of to get more confirmation on the QM level, right? Now another QM level is, okay, this one is very clear actually. High, low, higher highs, lower lows. Okay, there you go. That's your QM level. Tops above here, perfectly wicked. Okay, that's for sells, right? Now for buys, let me show you guys for the buys. There you go. Low, high, lower low, higher high, QM level here. There you go. Wicked, went up, wicked again. I mean, as long as it doesn't break the head. Now you see here, this is the head, right? Let me mark it. This is the head. The price didn't break it. As long as it doesn't break, the body doesn't close below the head, the zone will still be valid. See, risk to reward always very, very good with QM level. That's why it's very, very important. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's basically it. Any question, anything, you can ask me anytime. I'll leave my Discord server, of course, free Discord, link down below in the description. And of course, yeah, make sure to join the free Telegram as well. And yeah, take care, guys.